Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video series, we will be continuing the MCQs of international organizations. So let's get started from question number 126. The decisions of the Security Council on procedural matters are made by option A, an affirmative vote of 8 members, option B, an affirmative vote of 9 members, option C, an affirmative vote of 9 members including concurrent vote of permanent members, and option D, an affirmative vote of 10 members. Here, correct answer is option B, that is an affirmative vote of 9 members. Question number 127. In spite of the fact that veto is inconsistent with the principle of sovereign equality of all members of United Nations, veto is vested with the permanent members of the Security Council for option A, striking a balance between superpowers, option B, maintaining international peace and security, option C, political reasons, and option D, obstructing the powers of non-permanent members of the Security Council. Here correct answer is option B, that is maintaining the international peace and security. Question number 128. The voting procedure in the Security Council for admission of a member to the United Nations is by option A, a two-third majority of the members present and voting, option B, an affirmative vote of any 9 members, option C, an affirmative vote of 9 members including the concurring votes of permanent members, or option D, concurring votes of all members of the Security Council. Here correct answer is option C, that is an affirmative vote of 9 members including the concurring votes of permanent members. Question number 129. The action required to carry out the decision of the Security Council for the maintenance of international peace and security shall be taken by which of the following? Option A, all the members of the United Nations and some of the Security Council may determine. Option B, all the members of the Security Council. Option C, the General Assembly by its majority vote. And option D, all of the above. Here correct answer is option A, all the members of the United Nations and some members of the Security Council may determine. Question number 130. Which is not a peaceful means of settlement of disputes under international law? Option A, retribution, option B, conciliation, option C, negotiation, and option D, good offices. Here correct answer is question number 133 is option A, that is retortion. Question number 131. Which of the following articles of the UN Charter deals with the functions and the powers of the Economic and Social Council? Option A, Article 62 and 75, option B, Article 73, option C, Article 62 and 63, and option D, Article 53. Here in question number 131, correct answer is option C, that is Article 62 and Article 63. Question number 132. Originally, the members of the Economic and Social Council was 24, 27, 18, 20. Correct answer question number 132 is option C, that is 18. Originally, the members of the Economic and Social Council were 18. Question number 133. The ECOSOC consists of 18 members, 27 members, 36 members, 54 members. Correct answer is option D, that is 54 members. Question number 134. In which city is the United Nations Human Rights Council is based? Paris, London, Geneva, New York. Correct answer is option C, that is Geneva. Question number 135. Members of the ECOSOC of UNO are related by Security Council of the UNO, General Assembly of the UNO, Trusteeship Council of UNO, UN Secretariat. Here correct answer is option B, the General Assembly of the UNO. Question number 136. Which one of the following is not the function of the Economic and Social Council? Option A, promotion of economic and social development, promotion of better standards of human welfare, supervision and control of the function of the specialized agencies, observers of human rights and fundamental freedoms. Correct answer here is option C, that is supervision and control of the functions of the specialized agencies. Question number 137. Which of the following organs of the United Nations has formally suspended its operations? Option A, Economic and Social Council, option B, Secretariat, option C, Trusteeship Council, and option D, General Assembly. Correct answer here is option C, that is the Trusteeship Council. Question number 138. Judicial organs of the UN. Option A, ICJ, option B, International Criminal Court, option C, Yugoslavia Tribunal, option D, Rwanda Tribunal. Here correct answer is option A, that is the ICJ, International Court of Justice. Question number 139. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice is situated? Correct answer here is option C, that is Hague. Question number 140. Of which of the following international judicial institution the seat is not at the Hague? International Court, International Criminal Court, International Court of Justice, Permanent Court of Arbitration, International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea. Here correct answer is option D, that is International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea. The headquarters is not at the Hague. Question number 114. The International Criminal Court is located at Geneva, Hague, London, Washington. Correct answer here is option B, that is Hague. Question number 142. The judges of the International Court of Justice are elected for a term of 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 9 years. Correct answer is option D, that is 9 years. Question number 143. International Court of Justice consists of option A, the President, the Vice President, 13 other members, the President, Vice President, 14 other members, President, Vice President, 15 other members, the President and 15 other members. Correct answer here is option A, the President, Vice President and 13 other members. Now let us proceed to question number 144. The quorum of the International Court of Justice is option A 15 judges, option B 8 judges, option C 9 judges, option D 5 judges. Correct answer is option C, that is 9 judges. Question number 145. The decision of the International Court of Justice is signed by whom? Option A President, option B the Registrar, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. Correct answer here is option C, that is both A and B, President and the Registrar. The decision of the International Court of Justice was signed by both President and Registrar. Question number 146. The Permanent Court of Arbitration was established in pursuance of the following: Hague Conference of 1899 and 1907, B. Covenant of the League of Nations, C. UN Charter, and D. None of the above. Correct answer here is option A, that is Hague Conference of the 1899 and 1907. Question number 147. The International Court of Justice shall consist of 15 members, but no 2 members shall be of the same nation is provided in the Statute of the International Court of Justice. Option A, Article 34, option B, Article 3, option C, Article 62, and option D, Article 69. Correct answer here is option B, that is Article 3. Question number 148. The official language of the International Court of Justice are French and English, Arabic and English, German and English, Spanish and English. Correct answer here is option A, that is the French and English. The official language of International Court of Justice are French and English. The first Indian appointed as a judge of International Court of Justice was option A, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, option B, Justice Nagendra Singh, option C, Justice Krishna Iyer, and option D, none of the above. Here correct answer is option B, that is Justice Nagendra Singh. This is one of the important question of the UPSC examination. Please kindly remember that. Question number 150. Which of the following elects the judges of the International Court of Justice? The General Assembly, the Security Council of United Nations, International Court of United Nations, both A and B. Correct answer here is option D, that is both A and B. The General Assembly of the United Nations, Security Council of the United Nations elects the judges of the International Court of Justice.